Assalamualaikum. I'm Khadija. And I'm Ibrahim. And I'm Oliver. Welcome. You are watching our channel, Ibrahim the Nature Guy. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's a beautiful lake. As you can see. This is a very beautiful river. See the calm water gushing. And we're on this bridge.
Where is all water coming from?
It's all going to Lake Ontario, I suppose. Or it's going from Lake Ontario, I'm not sure. But it is sure beautiful. See, a little more detailed view of it. You can see the lake, all the rocks. This is one side. The other side is like this. More beautiful. To pass. Which pass to take? It's beautiful.
Hey Hamza, what you doing? What you doing? Are you walking?
I'm walking with Papa.
Oh.
That's how to survive in nature.
You found shelter?
Hamza, jump on it. Hamza, jump. Can you jump? Jump right here.
Jumping.
Oh, you did it.
I did it. You did it. You jumped. Everybody out.
If we both go, we can touch on the front.
What do you see
I'm not sure, like
the tree,
100
there's
years.
something
like a
greenish thing was coming down.
Speaking of that, we got our own tree at home. I'm so happy that I got it. It's Emerald Arborvitae,
Okay.
and it's an evergreen tree.
Yep.
Right now, it's really small. It comes this size,
Yep.
but later, when it's adult, it'll become 15 feet.
Okay. How long do you think it'll take for it to get that big?
2 years.
Really? Okay. We'll have to wait and see. I think you're right. You're very smart, Rosa. I think that's exactly what it is. What? Where? I don't see an animal. Oh, a squirrel. Okay. Mountain climbing training? Are you training to be a mountain climber?
Fall. Fall. Let's do push-ups. Can we do push-ups?
Hamza! Hello, Hamza! Hi, Hamza! Hi, Hamza! This is the most beautiful part of the trail.